Windows 11 desktop icons. By default, you only see one, and that is the recycle bin. But you have a choice. You can add others, and the ones that are available and that can be shown on your desktop, this PC, your personal folder, network, and the control panel. The recycle bin is the only one that's checked by default. The others can be added. Let me show you on my desktop what they look like once you add those other 4 items. To make changes, we need to get to the settings, and there are 2 ways to get to the settings. You can either get to the settings by selecting the Start menu and then selecting Settings. The other way is to simply use the shortcut key, the Windows key, and I for information. That also opens up the Settings menu. Once the Settings menu is open, we want personalization. Once we get here, scroll down, you want to select themes. And once you get to the themes, again, scroll down until you see desktop icon settings. And then that opens this up, which shows you the recycle bin as being checked. And the recycle bin is the only one that's currently on my desktop as an icon. And you may notice it looks like it's got stuff in it. That's because there are things in that recycle bin. If I empty the recycle bin, you'll notice it changes. It is now empty. There's nothing in it. Those are the 2 stages of the icon that are native to the recycle bin. You'll also notice that I can add computer, user files, and network and the control panel to the desktop as icons. Let me show you what they look like. Computer, user files, and network, and also the control panel can be added as an icon to your desktop. So let's select all 4 of those and let me apply that, say OK, and now you'll notice my personal folder, network, this PC, which is computer, and control panel. All those items have been added. If you need them and you want them easily accessible through your desktop, this is how it's done. If you don't want them there, or you only want a selected item, then go back into your settings, go to themes, go down to desktop icon settings, and unselect the ones you don't want to show. For me, I'm happy with just the recycle bin showing. So I'll unselect other 4 items, apply, say OK, and you see that they're now again gone. And the only one that's there is the recycle bin. Just a quick little look at something you can change on your desktop with added icons. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.